Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Unit 7 at the aquarium for Primary 5. Unit 7, here we are going to start with the dialogue here. As we can see, there are 4 pictures here. Here we have a shop, a clothes shop, and we have here the young girl and her father. She is going to buy a t-shirt, okay, and she can see that all the t-shirts are good and nice, so she can choose which one to pick. Okay, let's see the dialogue between her and her father. Which one do you want? Oh, I don't know, they are all cute. Well, it's time to go. Please make up your mind. Okay, I'll take this one. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Great, let's get it. Dad, the cashier is over there. Okay, let's see here the vocab or the words we are going to learn. In picture number 1, we have the question word which. When you want someone to choose between 2 things, you can ask him using the word which. Which animal do you like? Which t-shirt are you going to buy? Which pen is yours? Which bag do you want? Which drink do you prefer? So which here, when you are asking the person in front of you to pick between things, okay? Here we have the answer, oh, I don't know, they are all cute. Of course, we have learned before that don't and doesn't, they have to be followed by a verb in the infinitive form. And here we have don't, and we have the verb know, and it is in the infinitive form. They are all cute. Cute, it's an adjective. It's cute here means nice or beautiful. The girl or the little girl here, she sees all the t-shirts are cute. She can pick which one she's going to buy. In picture number 2 here we have, well, it's time to go. It's time to go. It's an expression here. We use it to know that it's time to do something or do a specific action. Like it's time to go to school. It's time to study English. It's time to play football. It's time to go to bed. It's time to watch TV. So it's time to has to be followed by a verb in the infinitive form. Another expression, make up your mind. Its expression means you have to decide. Make up your mind, you have to make a quick decision. Okay, make up your mind, you have to decide. Okay, I'll take this one. We have here I'll, the abbreviation for will, and we know that will for the future, and it has to be, or it represent the future. And here we say will take, will has to be followed by a verb in the infinitive form, like take. In picture number 3, the father he wants to make sure that his daughter is going to take this one. So he asks her, are you sure? She answered, yes, I am. In picture number 4, great, let's get it. We have here the word let's. When you want to say that we are going to do this now, you want to suggest something. So you say, let's go to the museum. Let's play tennis. Let's visit our grandparents. Let's read a new book. Here the girl answered, Dad, the cashier is over there. The cashier, the person you pay for the things you bought. When you buy something, you go to the cashier, okay? The person who takes the money from you, okay? Over there means she's pointing to the place of the cashier, okay? Let's see also the dialogue here, the mini dialogue between Sukkar and Sukkara. In this mini dialogue, he is revising the previous unit. He is making sure that you remember some details about the previous unit, like, excuse me, I am looking for. when you want to search for a place, you don't know where is the place of thing, of a specific thing, you can say I will look for, okay? So here he says, excuse me, I am looking for the bathroom. Is it far? Not really. Go straight. It's on the left. She thanked him by saying thanks. And he's saying no problem. And no problem means you are welcome, okay? Or not at all, okay? So here the mini dialogue, excuse me, I am looking for the bathroom. Is it far? Of course, far here is the opposite of near. It means that the place is not near, okay? This is the meaning of far, not near, okay? Not really, go straight. Straight here or go straight here means he didn't need to turn right or turn left. He's going to walk up and didn't turn right or turn left. This is the first or the dialogue. Let's see here, page 2, the word time. Here, as you can see, this is the aquarium. What's an aquarium in this picture? Aquarium is like a museum where you can see the life under the sea, okay? The sea animals' life, okay, as in the picture. Here you can see people, some people, they are looking through the glass and watching the animals or the sea animals' life or the marine lives. Marine animals has the same meaning of sea animals, okay? The word marine means here something that lives or related to the sea, okay? Let's see the marine animals, or what kinds of marine animals we can see in the aquarium. Here we have number 1, whale. Whale, this one, the biggest animal in the world is the whale. Whale. Number 2, dolphin. Of course, we know the dolphin. He's the animal that's a friendly animal to the people. Everyone likes the dolphin. He's very friendly and nice. We have the eel. Eel is like the snake of the sea. This is the eel, the snake that lives in the sea. We call it eel. We have the shark. Shark, a very dangerous animal. Shark. And of course, we have the octopus. Octopus. This is the octopus. It's an animal and we know that it has 8 arms, okay? The crab. This is the crab. It's very small, the crab. Here we have some adjectives. We have big and the opposite is small. And we have fast and the opposite is slow. Also here we have the starfish. It's not written here, but you have to know it. This is a starfish, okay? So again, this is the whale, dolphin, shark, eel, octopus, starfish, and the crab, okay? Let's see here, the next thing here, the practice here, or the practice time, okay? Here we have, or in this unit, you are going to learn how to compare between 2 things. We are going to use the comparison rule, okay? The comparison here, when you want to compare between 2 things, 2 animals, 2 boys, 2 girls, okay? 2 schools, 2 streets, 2 teachers, 2 doctors. So when you want to compare between 2 things, we use the comparison form, okay? How do we use it? We can use it by adding to the adjective. We get the adjective and we add to it ER. And after we add the ER to the adjective, it has to be followed by the word than. Like this example. Here in this example, he's comparing between the whale and the dolphin. So he gets here the word or the adjective big, and he added ER. But of course, we know that before we add the ER, we have to look at the adjective. It's 1 syllable. It consists of 1 syllable, okay? So we have to double the letter G. We have to double the letter G. and then we add the ER. So the sentence is going to be, the whale is bigger than the dolphin. So here we compared between the whale and the dolphin, and we add to the adjective ER, and because it's an adjective of one syllable, we added or we double the letter G, and after the adjective with the ER, we put the word than. It's very important to put than. Okay, let's see the examples, or let's do the examples like this one. In number 1 here, we have the crab and the dolphin, and he put the adjective slow. So we are going to say, the crab is slower than the dolphin. So we add here to the adjective slow, ER, and we put than after it. The crab is slower than the dolphin. Number 2, the shark is smaller than the whale. The shark is smaller than the whale. So here we have small, and we added to small ER. And after smaller, we put the word than. So again, number 2, the shark is smaller than the whale. Number 3, the whale is bigger than the eel. Of course, we have known, or in the previous example, that big we have to add letter G again, double the G, and then we are going to add ER. The whale is bigger than the eel. We didn't forget to put than. The whale is bigger than the eel. Number 4, the octopus is bigger than the crab. The octopus is bigger than the crab. Here we have number 5, the eel is smaller than the shark. The eel is smaller than the shark. Here we add ER to the adjective small, and then after it we put than. So the eel is smaller than the shark. The dolphin is faster than the octopus. The dolphin is faster than the octopus. So here after fast, or we add to fast ER, and then we put than after it. The dolphin is faster than the octopus. Okay, please repeat these examples again to get or to learn more about this rule, the comparison rule. So let's revise it again and say it again. We have the comparison rule, and we use it to compare between two things. We get or we bring the adjective we are going to use, and we add to it ER. And after the adjective with the ER, we put the word than. So the adjective with ER is going to be followed by than. And we have to remember, when the adjective is one syllable, or it ends with a consonant, and before this consonant we have one vowel, okay, we are going to double this letter, or we are going to double the consonant letter. Like fat, we're going to write it fatter. We're going to double the T, okay, fatter. We have also big, so we are going to double the G. We are going to say bigger, okay. So before adding ER, we have to look, does this adjective need to be doubled or not? Okay, let's see the phonics here. The phonics. Here the phonics is going to show us the AR, or the pronunciation of AR, and the pronunciation of OR. Okay, let's see the AR, like barn, barn, farm, farm. You are going to see that the R is not heavily or not stressed in the pronunciation. It's not stressed in the pronunciation. Barn, farm, yard, okay? Of course, the barn is the place where the animals sleep, or where the farmer keeps his animals. And the farm, in the farm, you can find fields and you can find small barns. The yard, in front of our houses, we can find yard, the place where our kids can play, okay? Let's see the words with OR, like corn, fork, storm, okay? Also here, the R is not stressed, it's very light. You can pronounce it light, slightly, okay? Like corn, fork, storm, okay? Let's see here, exercise B. Does it have AR or OR? Listen and circle. I'm going to tell you the word and I want you to listen carefully and tell me, this word, does it have AR or OR? And you're going to circle it. Okay, let's listen. Number one, park, park, park. Which one here, AR or OR? Let's hear it again. Park, park. Yes, it's AR. Listen, okay, circle AR. Let's see number two. Form, form, form. Yes, can you see, can you hear it? Form. It's pronounced like OR, so circle OR. Number three, yard, yard, yard. Okay, which one? Yard, yard. It's AR. Circle AR. Number four, horn, horn, horn. Yes, it's OR, so circle OR. Number five, barn, barn, barn. Okay, we are going to circle the AR. Number six, corn, 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 corn. Yes, it's OR. Let's read here in exercise C. Here we have, read the sentences, write the numbers, then listen. Here we are going to read these sentences and number the pictures according to the sentences. Number one, Salim had a farm. One day there was a storm. The sky was dark, but Salim was smart. He put the corn in the barn, but the wind blew very hard. Look at the corn in the yard. So let's read it again. Salim had a farm. One day there was a storm. The sky was dark, but Salim was smart. He put the corn in the barn, but the wind blew very hard. Look at the corn in the yard. Let's see here, number one. Which picture is related to number one? Salim had a farm. One day there was a storm. Which picture is it? Yes, this is the picture of number one, this one. So we are going to write here number one. Okay, here number one. Let's see number two. The sky was dark, but Salim was smart. He put the corn in the barn. Again, the sky was dark, but Salim was smart. He put the corn in the barn. Yes, this is picture number two. Number three, but the wind blew very hard. But the wind blew very hard. Yes, this is picture number three. So this is number one, and this is number two, and this is number three. Let's see number four. Look at the corn in the yard. Yes, here he's pointing. Here he wants you to see the corn in the yard after the storm. Here the corn was thrown in the yard like this one. Okay, so this is number four. Okay, so number one, and this is number two, and this is number three, and the last one is four. This is the end of our unit 7, the aquarium. Okay, let's revise again. This unit talks about the marine animals and what you can see at the aquarium and what does it look like, which is the biggest animal and which is the smallest animal. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice time. See you next week.